Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the platform to build a website for your bookstore. If you've just stumbled across this video and you're unfamiliar with Marty Sites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. You can literally launch a website in less than a minute. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video and give it a go and see how it works for you and your small business. Awesome. So let's get cracking building a website for our bookstore. Once we've signed up on the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market. There are hundreds of different markets to choose from on the Marty Sites platform. However, if you've just stumbled across this video randomly and you don't even have a bookstore, you have another small business or side hustle, and you can't quite find the market listed over here, do comment below and let us know, and we will add it as we are adding more markets every single week to cater for all different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. Great. So I'm going to go ahead and search for a market. I'm going to search for a bookstore, and there it is. I'm now going to select that template. Great. Now Marty Sites is going to ask me a few basic details about my bookstore so I can work its magic and create a one-page website for me. All I need to do is put in a few basic details. So I'm going to go ahead and put in our company name, Rochelle's Bookstore. Let's put in our city and our state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the Marty Sites service. We have customers from all around the globe enjoying Marty Sites. Let's go ahead and select the type of business, and I'm going to select retail for this one and click on continue. Great. How can our customers get in touch with us? Let's go ahead and put in our phone number and our email address. Let's move along. Okay, where is our bookstore located? I'm going to go ahead and put in our street address and our postal code. I'm now going to click on continue. Great. So when is my bookstore open? What days? What hours? Let's set it up. I'm going to say I'm open from 9 a.m. on a Monday to 4:30 p.m. I'm also going to say I'm open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and a Saturday. I'm closed on Sunday to recharge and rest for the week ahead. I'm now going to click on continue. Okay, what time do you open on a Sunday? We're closed on Sundays. Okay, let's do a quick review. Make sure your hours are correct, your trading hours and your location. If you need to make any amendments, click on updates over here. But everything looks pretty good to me. I'm happy with that, and I'm going to click on next. Awesome. So there you have it. Marty Sites has literally generated a one-page website for me. All I needed to do was put in a few basic details. I didn't need to know any website coding or hire a web developer or be a web developer myself. It was that easy. The beauty of Marty Sites is we pre-written all the content for you and pre-selected all the images. However, if these images don't quite work for you and your business and the copy that's pre-written isn't suitable, you can amend it. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through each section so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how easy the service is to use, how you don't need to know any coding or anything like that. It's simple. So I'm going to start from the top and work my way through. I'm going to click on update section at the top and say show email on site. So my email is displayed next to my phone number that is clicked to call, by the way. Let's go ahead and save that. Our address is already there, and it again is when your customers click on it, they can be directly taken to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's click on update social links. I'm now going to put in our Instagram page and our Twitter page. Feel free to give us a follow and let us know how the service is working for you. Great, so let's click on save. Social media icons now displayed here in the top right hand corner. Let's click on close. Okay, so perhaps the colors that were pre-selected for you just don't quite work for you and your business. Perhaps your bookstore has completely different branding, different colors used, and that's completely okay. Perhaps this royal blue, I guess you can say, just doesn't work. You don't need to know any color coding. All you need to do is click on the paint button in the bottom right hand corner and go through the different various options that are available. We are adding more color palettes every single week. However, I really like this one. It's very neutral, so I'm going to save that one. And as you can see, it's now used throughout my Marty site page. Looks really awesome. Okay, let's move on to the next section. Let's click on update section and head over to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo for your bookstore yet, you're in the startup stages or you don't want a logo, that's okay. Marty Sites will display your name here. However, if you do have a logo, let's browse through your device and upload it over here. Let's click on upload. And there we go. I'm going to click on save. And there we go. My logo is now displayed here. We can make it bigger and smaller. But I'm going to make it slightly bigger and leave it like that. I'm really happy with it. And click on save and move along. Now, again, content pre-written to make your life as easy as possible when it comes to launching a website. Images pre-selected, but I don't think this quite works for my bookstore. It looks like it could be in another language. So I'm going to click on update section and update image. Now, if you have really awesome images of your bookstore, go ahead and browse from your device and upload them here. However, you can search the photo library and there are hundreds of free images to choose from, all royalty free, no licensing needed for them. So let's go ahead and look for, I'm going to say books, play around with the terms a little bit and just see what comes up. Okay, so I like this one. No, this one's really awesome. I'm going to go ahead and select this one and save my image selection. Okay, that one doesn't quite fit nicely, so I'm going to reselect my option and search the photo library and type in books again. I want it to look as perfect as possible. And as you can see, making the amendments is so simple. Let's try this one out. Let's see. That works absolutely perfectly. Let's go ahead and save that image selection. Now, if we want to update the content, we can update it by clicking on there. Perhaps you don't have over 25,000 books in every genre, so go ahead and change that to suit your needs. Button as well can link to various places. So I'm going to go ahead. I don't want people to get in touch with me. I want them to get directions so they can easily find my bookstore. I'm going to go ahead and click on choose link and say action. I want people to get directions, but there is an option for a PDF file so customers can easily click on that button and download a PDF file. Perhaps you want to put a little bit more details in a PDF file of all the different books you have to offer, or your exchange program or loyalty program, how they can join. Pop it in a PDF file and upload it here, but for this one, I'm going to keep it as directions. Now I'm going to save my content and look at that. Looks really great. On to the next section. Again, over here, can amend all the text to suit your needs, and the button change it to suit your needs where you want people to go to, perhaps a PDF file or another part of your website, or perhaps even a completely different website. It's your choice. Very easy to do by clicking on update section over here. Awesome. Let's move along. Okay, we made our way to our About Us section, put in more details over here of how your bookstore came to be, how you got started, how long you've been in the industry. Put all the details over here. Your customers would love to hear your story. This image is really suitable. I'm very happy with it, so I'm going to leave it as is. But if you need to change it, click on Update section and head to Update Image. Great. Another awesome image or another place to display and one of your own images. If you're not happy with this one or it's not suitable, search one from the photo library. Hundreds of free images to choose from, royalty free. Great. We've made our way to the what we offer services section. Over here, you can change it to suit your needs. So perhaps you aren't open 7 days a week, as it will say. I've said we're only open 6 days a week. So I'm going to go ahead and change this and say a book lover's dream. Actually, I like the word paradise. There we go. That's perfect. Let's go ahead and save that content. Image, again, can be amended to suit your needs. Let's go ahead and close it. And over here, if we need to update our hours, go ahead and do that by clicking on Update Hours. Social media icons are now displayed on the bottom of our website as well as our address and our phone number. So there you have it. Look at it. I've literally launched and amended my website. It's only taken me less than 10 minutes. It's been absolutely amazing, very easy to use. No color coding, no web coding, nothing like that. We wanted to make it as easy as possible for you to launch a website for your bookstore. Look at that. Looks really great. I'm now going to head to the top and click on stop editing. I'm now going to head over to the site dashboard to just show you a little bit of that. Over here, again, this is where you can update your hours, your social links as well. However, if you do have a custom domain for your bookstore, go ahead and click on connect a domain here. If you're struggling, there is a YouTube tutorial for that on how to link your custom domain, as well as a blog post over at www.martysites.com. If you are still struggling, drop us a message and we will link your custom domain for you. Great. So I hope that tutorial was helpful on how to use the platform to build a website for your bookstore. Really wishing you and your bookstore mighty success. Don't forget the thumbs up for this video and leave your comments below and let us know how you're enjoying the Marty site service.